War Reloaded PC Game Pass Error 1009. 1. Check Xbox Services Status. Go to Xbox Live Status. Please open your app to see this link. If services are down, especially account and profile or multiplayer, you'll need to wait until Microsoft resolves it. 2. Sign out and back in. Xbox app, Microsoft Store. Open Xbox app, profile, sign out. Open Microsoft Store, top right, sign out. Restart your PC. Sign back in with the same account on both Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Try launching the game again. 3. Reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Win's Eye, apps, installed apps. Find Xbox app, advanced options, reset. Find Microsoft Store, advanced options, reset. Reboot PC. 4. Clear Xbox Live cache, press Win-R, services.msc. Restart these services, right-click Restart, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service, Xbox Accessory Management Service, Gaming Services. 5. Repair Gaming Services. Press Win-R, PowerShell run as admin. Paste this command. You can see the code in our conversation history. This reinstalls Gaming Services. SAR 6. Fix region and time sync. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. Make sure region equals same as your Xbox account. 7. Flush DNS and reset network. Run command prompt as admin, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. 8. Check Firewall Antivirus. Allow Gears of War Reloaded, Xbox app, and gaming services through your firewall. If using third-party antivirus, disable it temporarily and retry. 9. Reinstall via Xbox app, last resort. If nothing works, uninstall Gears of War Reloaded. Delete leftover files from sent local app data, packages, Microsoft.gearsofwarreloaded. Reinstall on an SSD via Xbox app. After this, error 1009 should be fixed, and the game should connect properly on PC Game Pass.